Most businesses still think SEO is about ranking. That is an old school mindset. SEO and the way people search the internet in 2024 is much different than what we're seeing today. Specifically, AI search is influencing local search discovery. In tests of local businesses and local business searches, AI overviews, Google's generative summaries, appeared in over 40% of local business queries, meaning users see AI responses before traditional listings, traditional organic listings, and sometimes ads. So people are now having conversations with AI, and I'm sure you have because I know I have too. People are asking things like, show me the 5 best rated plumbers in my city, or tell me the 5 restaurants I should consider taking my family this Friday night. When someone asks ChatGPT or Perplexity a question, they don't see 10 blue links anymore. They don't see ads anymore. At least not yet. They see one answer, and that answer may mention a few brands or none at all. You're either included in the recommendation or you're invisible. But here's what gets really interesting. Some companies are celebrating increases in AI referral traffic, but traffic can be misleading. AI often pulls insights from your content or credits aggregators. This could be sites like Reddit, TripAdvisor, Yelp, or Wikipedia instead. So while yes, this is still good and you did the work, someone else gets the visibility. The question is no longer where do I rank or how do I rank in Google? It should be, does AI mention my brand? How often does AI reference my brand? Am I cited as the authority or just listed with others? Is the tone positive, neutral, or forgettable? Visibility is shifting from clicks to inclusion. And over time, it's only going to get more personal, and not just for the user searching, but also for the businesses. AI is going to learn who the user is. They're going to ask and they're going to find out buyer intent. Is it a budget buyer or premium buyer? And what brands are recommended that match their behavior? That means things like trust signals, proof, clarity, brand attribution are becoming more important than ever. So if your SEO isn't prioritizing AI visibility and you're using the same tactics you've been using year over year, it's time for a refresh. You might be wondering why I'm saying that. Well, over 1/3 of people now start searches with AI instead of traditional search engines. Just this year, a study found that 37% of consumers said they begin their searches with AI tools like ChatGPT as opposed to Google and traditional search engines, according to Search Engine Land. So if you haven't tested your business in AI search, try this. Go to ChatGPT and ask the same questions your customers ask. See who shows up, because in the next version of search, there is no page 2. You're either going to be recommended or rejected. So put your consumer hat on and go into some of these LLMs and have conversations and see what's happening. AI search visibility is becoming a new trend in a lot of our SEO tools like SEMrush, but it's really just in the infancy stages. We look at things like AI visibility, number of pages cited, and the number of mentions per month. But there is so much more to AI visibility than just the SEO part of it. If you want to learn more and you want to gain some insights on how to get your brand to show up in AI, just comment below and I'll be happy to fill you in. So I'm curious, have you checked whether your brand is showing up in AI? And if so, what did it say? Thanks for watching.